Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPUSD and euro dollar. These two instruments currently is highly volatile and giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBPUSD and euro USD. Looking at first of all monthly. Now from the monthly we can see that GBPUSD has broken this important monthly resistance level. We see that there is a monthly resistance here, quite a few months in that zone open and closed, and we saw after multiple liquidity grab GBPUSD has broken out of this resistance zone. As I mentioned in my previous analysis as well, GBPUSD, as you can see, has grabbed liquidity from this support and created this big impulse to the upside. We can expect this market to continue to go up to break all this resistance, and we could see potentially a retest of this monthly resistance zone. So with that being said, on the monthly we see that GU is highly bullish. Now if I look at the weekly perspective, we can see that GBPUSD, this is what exactly expected in my previous weekly forex forecast. As you can see, there is a strong liquidity grab here. As you can see, there is a gap opening in that zone after this previous weekly shooting star. With a gap opening, the GBPUSD has a strong bounce to the upside. Now, as you can see, the price already above this weekly resistance zone, and what I think that this market at least will go ahead and test this liquidity zone where there is weekly doji, and we can expect now a push to the upside to create a new higher high in this direction on the weekly as well. Now if I look at daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, GBPUSD currently showing a strong bullish price action starting from this liquidity grab on GBPUSD. There is a big impulse followed by this correction, another impulse, and then consolidation on the daily. We have seen a liquidity grab from the top, and also there is a liquidity grab from the bottom. Is the sign that this market will trend in that direction, and as a result, we have seen a break to the upside previous day, another pullback. Now today what we saw that GBPUSD has crossed the daily low, grabbed the liquidity from this important level, and then immediately has rejected to the upside. Now at this point we see the market is in a resist above this resistance level, and from that zone we can expect GU to continue to rise at least to this liquidity zone. This is the weekly resistance zone that we can expect GBPUSD to move ahead in that direction. So if we look at further lower time frame, we can see that there is already a pin bar has formed in that zone of 20 EM, and you see that according to our TFS strategy there is a strong bullish signal along this zone. So that is where we are waiting for an entry. As you can see, there's already a strong bullish candle has formed on a pullback. We are already on a trade that is going in profit, and we will be waiting for adding another position in that zone. Once the candle close come for a deeper pullback, we will add position as soon as we will find suitable entry along the zone to take this move to the upside on GBP USD. Now let's look at euro dollar. As you can see on euro dollar, like the GBP USD has grabbed multiple times liquidity in this lower time frame. Now if I look at further monthly, first of all, to see bigger picture in that market, also we saw that the price has just broken out of this monthly resistance zone. Now overall picture on euro dollar is bullish. As you can see, with this big impulse on the monthly, the price has corrected. Now it is in another bullish move. So we saw that the market is above all this level of resistance, and we can expect this market to continue to rise. Now looking at the weekly, we can see that euro dollar has grabbed liquidity multiple times from this support zone, creating series of lower high, and then finally with this doji, the price has broken out of this resistance. Followed by previous week we saw a shooting star, and we have seen that euro dollar has formed an inverted head and shoulder and has broken out of this resistance zone. Now at this point we see that euro dollar, after gap opening this week, after little pullback, the price has started to push up, and what I think that this market will go ahead and break this previous weekly high, and this is what exactly expected in my previous weekly forex forecast. You have seen that. Now if I look at daily, what we saw previous day, there is a doji. Now today the price just has retraced up to 50% of this daily doji, and the price again rejected to the upside. Now as you can see, this daily market also, we have seen triple bottom at this support level. It's a strong support area, and from that zone we see that euro dollar has created this impulse pullback. Now it is in another impulsive phase. With that said, we can expect now euro dollar also continue to rise. As you can see, there is an imbalance in that zone with this long week candle. We can expect euro dollar to continue to rise from all time frame perspective. Now in the intraday, we can see that euro dollar has formed. As you can see, this current candle has crossed almost all these candles on the support zone, grabbed the liquidity, and has given us a very strong liquidity zone. We see that this candle has a huge volume in it. Now as a result, we see the market is pushing high. So as we are running a trade on GBPUSD, if we add up on GBPUSD, we'll keep euro dollar watching, or we might add another position on euro dollar, as this is a strongly bullish market. What is going up is likely to go up, so we'll be waiting for an entry on euro dollar. As soon as we will find suitable entry according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.